Yes, people, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you know, when up on Instagram and some people send me some message and I go over Shensia page and check it out. And it's sad to say that her mother has passed away. You saw me as a people. So at this moment, I just want to extend my deepest condolence to Shensia and her family, you know, her son and everybody else, our mother, friend them, for friend them, the whole Ramesh Entertainment team. You see me? Because people, this is just so shocking. You see me and say, and this it to my heart because it's like you see Shensi and her mother, you never know say her mother have any kind of sickness or nothing. We never aware of that. We see Shensi and her mother up on her Instagram all the time. You see me? You never like we know that she's sick and she, you know what I mean, in a hospital or nothing. What we can say, all right, then this happened we didn't know say she is sick. This just out of like left field, just right out. You know, just wake up this morning and boom, we see Shensi a post and say our mama gone. You see me I say people, I don't know say with me if me I stumble over I heard them. You see me I say it kinda just difficult to really digest at this point. You see me? Cause I not too long ago we see Shensia and her mother go up where them used to live and all them something there. The other day I see Shensia have one video where she and her mother drive. She a teach her mother for drive and the car puncture and them something there. Then after that, you know what I mean, we see them here and there, them a cook and all these things. So me personally, I wasn't aware that Shensia mother have any kind of, you know what I mean, medical complications or any kind of illness, even though I don't know what really happened. But I'm just saying, you know what I mean, it's not something that was expected. I know the Shenyang them never did I see this one half forward. Shensia herself probably never did see this forward. You know what I mean? She gonna know more than we in the situation. But from what she post, me know said this wasn't expected. And nobody can expect, you know what I mean, things like this for us happen like this. And you know it's a lot for Shensia. She's very young right now. And I mean that never really have nothing to do with it. It's just that the fact that anybody lose their mother, I go, you know what I mean, go feel it to them heart. Me know how we would have go if God forbid, you know what I mean? Cause may I tell you, man, me love my mother and me can sister Shensi I love for her mother. So people, it's just sad. More want to get in the comment section saying so RIP. You see me? Anyway, we are gonna talk about what Shensia post on the Instagram. So Shensia post and Shensia say, my heart is broken, mommy. Broken. I never knew I had this much tears until this day. I ask God for strength. Just strength. I love you forever. RIP, RIP, RIP. My mother and father in a one. Januo, my mother, I will never forget you ever. I ask everyone, please, if you see me in person, don't remind me of this. My heart is weary. So no hear what Shensia say. And people will know. You see what I say? It's not like we have a question the relationship between Shensi and her mother and Shensi and her family. You see what I say? She and her son, Ramesh them. Even Ramesh mother a part of the thing. You see what I say? Me say, just happened that I scroll past one video where I see Ding Dong and Ramesh them in the studio yesterday and Shensia come in. So when you see it, people, like if somebody that go and Shensia probably wouldn't there studio yesterday, but Shensia passed through the studio. However, I don't know every video yesterday, but it's very recent because Ding Dong are sing about dust. But the Sahara dust, you know, say that I within the last day or two or so. You see me and Shensi are there at the studio. So if something did really, really serious with her moms, maybe that wouldn't happen like she wouldn't there at the studio or she expect this to happen like that. You see what I mean as a people? So when you can see say this is just devastating and just very shocking at this point. And you know what I mean? Everybody come out and Shensi are comment them. Even Spice say WTF, oh my God. Why? I'm a refresh my page over and over, read it again. Shensi, I'm so sorry. RIP, I'm lost. You see me? Ramesh, I love you, mommy. And Steph London, everybody, oh my God. May her soul rest in peace. Sending you and your family love and strength. Dovey Magnum. Oh my God, have mercy on your heart, Shen. My condolences to you and your family. Keep strong. Rest up, mommy. You see me? Tommy Chin them, you know what I mean? I water, damage music, everybody depend. You see me? I say, because this is just like me say people. everybody knows Shensia mother. You know what I mean? By now. Everybody says Shensia mother, fun living lady from what me see, you know what I mean? She always the part that she dance, she cook, she do whatever, you know what I mean? She involved with Shensia's career, like as far as, you know, singing her song them more well and all these things. And it's just why that one yeah, I never expect this, you know what I mean? Boom first thing in the man at that. So like Mr. Mo, I wanna get into the comment section and send some RIP. You see me? No, we don't know like what is the real you know what I mean like reason that she passed away. There's not that information is not available yet. However, if it become available later on, we might do an update. You know what I mean? We don't too want press this because you know we still have to have this respect towards Shensi and her family. And like she said, if you see her in a public, don't remind her about this because you know what I mean. I don't know if Shensi have sibling like this or not. If we don't know if Shensi have brother and sister and other thing, we don't put them in the comment. Put it in the comment section for me, please. I don't really know, but you know what I mean. It's not even about like taking care of any kind of thing. That is not the problem here because Shensi I gotta make sure say her mother get a good send off. You see what I said? The problem is that Shensia right now the way how she feel, you know what I mean? And little Raj now too, if you don't say my grandma gone like that. Like people, you see what I say? It's crazy. It's very crazy, may I tell you. From the picture where Shensi post, we can see that she passed away in the hospital. So I don't know if it's like she been in the hospital, even though I mentioned earlier that Shensi got a studio or nothing. But you know if your people in the hospital, you still go kind of do what you do, you know. Especially when you expect it would be that serious or them thing there. So I don't know. So maybe she there hospital. As far as I know, maybe Shensi would have post if she did the hospital long time. You see what I say? Maybe we would have said ding dang them and send get better, rumish them, but we never see none of that. You see what I say? We never really see no kind of signs or indication that Shensi a mother, you know what I mean, have some kind of medical complications or, you know, like this are gonna happen. This is just like Mr. People, it's just shocking. You know what I mean? So again, I can't say it enough. You know what I mean? Rest in peace to Shensi, her mother, and my condolences to her and her family and friends. You know, Shensi them are people who always see them well family orientated. When a birthday time, everybody get them big gift. Everybody, you know what I mean, celebrate each other birthday like them are real family. And one time I said that me I talk about she and Romish them, you know what I mean? We see that kind of unity there. And that me I said to myself one time, I see the Ding Dang video, me I say, yo, they live goodie. Cause Ding Dang just did they make so nice and then Shensi open the door and they like, yeah. And then Raj push in and they like, yeah. You see me I say? So them have that kind of you know, support system there for each other. You see me? However, I know throughout all of this, you know, so Shensia is not alone. Shensia have the support of her team, and she have the support of Romish, and, you know, like Ding Dang, Escobar, and everybody, you know I mean, DJ Black Boy and all of them. We say, like we say, we know how close them be already. So we know, say, at least Shensi have some kind of personal support, and then Shensi have a very good friend. I don't remember her name at this point, but that is Shensi, a key friend. When I know say yeah, them I got did the Shensi, because we see them did the Shensi in a other situation which is not even as close to this. Because this is like top of the list of things what can happen. You know what I mean? Like I don't know how it going to be efficiency within the coming days, but right now we know that she really devastating. I mean, I think she going to get over this for a little while, but you know what I mean, we know she going to pick up the pieces and move on, but she not going to forget, you know what I mean? Especially because of the relationship what she have with her mother. You know, Shensia love cooking. Shensia always a cook. However, I don't know if she learned that from her mother. You know, some people do food and nutrition at school and them thing there. So but ever you know, say your mother must have some kind of influence in you being a cook or a baker or something like that. You know what I mean? If you grow with your moms, you know what I mean? And we see our moms cook all the time too, so we know say some kind of relation did it. You see me? But those are just some of the things. Those are just the minor things where Shensi go miss about mommy. You know what I mean? There, we don't know the personal relationship and the day-to-day conversations. We don't know the phone calls and all these things. So me I say, which like nothing cannot fill that void. You understand what I say? So anyway, people, may I go check out. And again, we just want to send some condolences to Shensi and her family. Rest in peace to Shensi, her mother. And please just get in the comment section and just leave some RIPs. You know what I mean? All of the Shenyang them, on go and roll up on the so I say. And, you know, we just go and look out for Shensi, support her however we can. We know we're not immediate family, but whatever we can do, you see me I say, for make sure have a good day, you know what I mean? We can just stay off of the negative press with her for no one all them things there, you see what I say? And just, you know what I mean, give her the support what she deserve. Other than that, people, thank you for listening to this video. Alright? And then you can just follow up Shensia Instagram and see how it go from here and where it go from here. Alright? Alright, thank you.